Welcome, everyone. Today we are looking at testing, screening, and ethical considerations regarding DNA repair deficiencies, which are divided into two major pillars: identifying these deficiencies clinically and navigating the ethical or practical issues that come along with them. We begin with a family history assessment, which serves as our first line of defense to spot potential hereditary patterns or familial cancer risks. Next, we move to germline genetic testing to look for inherited mutations, followed by tumor sequencing to evaluate somatic changes directly within the cancer cells. We also utilize immunohistochemistry to check for the presence or absence of key DNA repair proteins, MSI testing to find genomic hypermutability, and specialized functional assays in specialized settings. Transitioning to the second half of our overview, clinical genetic testing introduces several critical ethical and practical issues that we must address. This starts with robust, informed consent to ensure patients fully understand the implications of their results, alongside addressing privacy and discrimination concerns to protect sensitive data. Clinicians frequently encounter variants of uncertain significance that require careful interpretation, while family communication becomes vital because a single test result impacts multiple biological relatives. Ultimately, all of these diagnostic steps must be paired with proper access to surveillance and targeted therapies to genuinely improve patient care and management.